Yaman, what is going on? Man, what a weekend I had. And, oh man. So, I wanted to start this video off by talking about something that happened on Saturday. So, anyways, I was supposed to go with a buddy of mine to go watch a band play on Saturday night, which was Greg Harrison's band. And sorry, Greg, I didn't come out and see ya. But if anybody's around this area, Bridgeport, Morgantown, and hasn't seen Greg Harrison band, man, you guys got to check him out. Greg Harrison's probably best singer around. So check him out. I'll put up something right here or something with his, I'll put something up for him. And I feel really bad I didn't get to make it. But anyways, so just before we're about ready to get going to go out to go watch him play, one of my buddies I work with, he texted me and said, man, I got hit in my car. And I'm like, what? And he said, yeah, somebody hit me and ran. I'm like, are you serious? So somebody was coming down the road, and they were going down the road, and this guy was in the right-hand lane and decided he wanted to go left. So he basically just, boom, turned in and T-boned my buddy on the left-hand or right-hand side passenger door and stuff, and I'll put some pictures up right here. Yeah, so you can check it out, man. He hit into him pretty good. So I guess the guy kind of stopped and then took off. So if anybody's seen a red SUV or Jeep or something, it's kind of low. It looked like they got a few bits of license plate number and stuff like that. But anybody with some fresh silver on the side of their left side, driver's side, that just happened to have it on there, they just got it, and let me know. Make a comment down below. We'd like to find this guy because, he's going to have to be fronting. Oh, this guy was drunk or something, St. Patrick's Day, and the guy took off for some reason. You just don't take off for, a little side swipe and stuff like that. Never run, right? Never run. Respect your people. What's the world coming to? This is the kind of crap that just, when he just told me that, I was like, geez, it just, new car and stuff he got, it just, like he said, hadn't got to his first oil change yet, and he gets sideswiped, so. Yeah, come on, people. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, but he's okay, and everything's good. It's just this car is a little whacked up that you saw in those pictures right there. So next thing I wanted to do is get into is I got a ride coming up. I got a little bit of ride I'll show you guys. I got something new in the mail that I want to show you right now. So I'm having troubles vlogging, obviously. I'm riding with a regular, motocross helmet. When I'm on my Super Motard, and my guys got a hold of me and said, hey, we want you to do a review on something else. So they sent me a brand new 2018 O'Neill Sierra Slingshot helmet to do some vlogging. It's a dual sport helmet. You can see, wait a minute, it's missing something. Hold on. Boom. Now she looks good. Look at those Walk Good stickers, man. These things are nice. Sick. Don't forget, I got the Walk Good stickers. So, anyways, now she's a wearable helmet, right? Alright. So, yeah, it's a pretty nice helmet. I looked online and stuff on it. Got a shield, got a little jet fighter shield on the front. So, I'm going to get a new setup for the mic and helmet and stuff. So, I'll be able to do a little bit better vlogging. And hopefully this will cut down on the wind and everything else, and we'll see what we can get. But I want to try this helmet out and stuff, so I'm going to show you guys some videos of some riding today. I got some cool stuff, nothing much. I'm a little sore still, so I wasn't doing any wheelies and stuff today, and still sore from riding on Sunday at the MX track. So yeah, this is awesome, man. Thanks, guys, and like I said, don't forget your Walk Good stickers, man. Thanks ETARD and Bubbification for those. It just really slicks them out, man. So, and thanks for everybody purchasing them. Thanks for everybody that's been purchasing them. And like I said, we got the key tags, 10 bucks. Walk Good stickers, black, green, and yellow. We got some new Walk Good stickers with the Hang Loose Shaka Bra symbol on them. So it kind of matches up with the key tags. Those are slick. Thanks, ETARD. So, yeah, so don't forget, man, all these proceeds and everything go to the Humane Society, guys. This ain't going in my pocket. This is going to go to the Humane Society. I got a good job and stuff, and I want this stuff to go to the good little animals out there in the world. So, hey, Dylan, I'll be getting your stickers out here today, and also don't forget about those. So remember, you guys. Oh, also, don't forget the goggle giveaway. You got to go back to that. I'll put the link at the end and just go to that. Logan, they're out in the mail. They've been there. Hopefully they get there soon. I don't know how long it takes to get to Australia, but for this giveaway, we're going to have the Fox, and we're going to have, Logan took the blue one, so we got the black with the mirrored. And we have the black with the mirrored on this too. So these are nice goggles right here, man. Going out to 2 lucky winners. Make a comment, not on this video, but remember, on the other video. Make the comment. So, I hope you guys have been enjoying my stuff. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you hit your like buttons. Thumbs up, down. Hopefully they're all thumbs up. Hit your alerts so you know when this stuff's coming out, man. The weather's starting to get nice, but I guess we're going for a big snowstorm coming this week. So, we might get some cool videos out in the snow, man. TRX, you know, zipping around the snow and doing some fun stuff. So, make sure you guys hit your alerts to stay tuned for coming up adventures with Motard. And you guys saw this weekend with the Nedbridge boys, man, riding. That was the first ride. It's going to even get better. So, and hopefully Sean gets his subframe fixed, man. I can't believe that thing snapped. So, yeah, I hope you got a hold of Honda or somebody to get that fixed, because it just cracked right on the weld, man. 2015 bike shouldn't probably snap like that, you know. That's my guess, but yeah, it's not like he was jumping around on some 1980 or 90s bike that's old, and but yeah, it was a good weekend. It was fun riding with those guys. Can't wait to do that stuff again and bring some more live stuff. Some of you guys like that, so I'll do some live whenever I can. A lot of places out here in West Virginia, not much signal. So, but anyways, that's about it. Make sure you guys, like I said, always be safe and have fun this week and walk good. So what's going on, guys? It's old WG Motard on the bus. But anyways, if you guys watched that last video, that girl cut me off all over the place. Ridiculous. I mean, that's pretty much where the guys were landing at, is where she was kind of coming in at off that big triple. And they were launching out across of it, and, she would have been doomed. Unless she was just trying to do it to me. I never cut her off or nothing. Wanted to make sure my lights were working in the back. I put them on, so you never know. Just burst into my mask. Oh man, what a day, man. I tell you what, I am sore. Oh, so I wanted to ask, anybody ever burp in their full face mask after eating Mexican food? Yeah, so anyways, got a nose picker? Hard to tell, she was from the side. Looks like she was digging something. Never mind. Guess I wasn't making that light. Keep Portland weird. Right on. Oregon. Yeah, man, the Yeti. What do you guys think? Think there's a Yeti? You gotta keep Portland weird, though. I mean, it's a Yeti, what is that? I can't read what that says. Yeti Army. Alright, they believe in Bigfoot. Sweet. I'm all for the Bigfoot. Hey, you never know, man. If you haven't seen it. Anybody seen $1 million in cash? You know it's real, right? I haven't seen $1 million in cash, but I know it's real. Bigfoot eat their dead, Ah, she's smoking.